Bagana. And no, no man could yemano, but mat 12. And in the mat 12 no one, or person me kumutu, Namdi Escadromano. Maybe a military man, I'm a disciplined man. I mean, tear in your bonnet. And I want to prove to the whole world, any more with my mind time will say, traditional herbalist, and any bonnet for, and you do for you, Kuminipa, send you more Nigeria from Ghana film. This one is a bad man. You need to know Krumani. Akolano de Bass and Kunifani schedule, Akolano. Oh, how are you? Okay, my name is Nane Dubois Jr. Okay? What's the name of your father? Ivan Sopon. Okay. Your father brought you here so that I'll kill you, so that he'll get money. So he brought, don't be scared, my daughter, don't be scared. So I brought the police in to come and save you. So the police will take care of you, okay? The man is a policeman, they'll take care of you, okay?
Okay. What's your name?
Akolani was school, and Uncle China free school. Tell me, couldn't find a drumano.
Raise your head.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video shocked me like seriously. Since when I thought they do topic for YouTube, this one shocked me. Since they happen for this world though. Hey, my people. This man, this Ugbeke looking for king man, my people. One go use in your Pikin. Hey, my people. I want to narrate this story. Now this one be a way. The thing shockalize me. This man what they see so He carry in your fine, beautiful daughter. Man, calm down. Lady J, calm down. Calm down. Talk this story. This man carry a Pikin. He want go use them. Carry and go native daughter. A beautiful daughter. He want go use them take do money. As he carry and reach the native daughter house, native daughter where God go bless. Can't go call police for him. As he see that they wait now, make the native daughter come use his daughter. This one they happen for Ghana so. Ghana and this one they happen so. As native in the wait, make native daughter come, make they come do the make Pikin, so that make he do the money. Now police just come. You don't know say the native daughter already enraged with police already. This one a better native daughter. If not so native daughter, they don't go call police. They go just kill that Pikin just like that. I said this one it shocked me. This one shocked me. Your own papa want go use you to do money. Hey, my people, as it is the happen for this world, if wait till this world they turn into, my people. Wait till this world, wait till they turn into. I don't understand. Your own papa want go use you to do money. You go forgive that kind of papa. My people, this kind of papa you go forgive him. He want go use you to do money. Now juju be that. Now juju be that, my people. But it's the happen. Which kind bad man be this one? Your own Pikin, you want go use them to do money. If you not say how they get fine, they get not even know they get their side room, they wait. It is another thing Papa want use them do. He not know say if Papa want come use them to do money. Now native daughter, now I can't call police. So then they say this guy good native daughter. I bet this one not be rich Alice. The man nice oh. This native daughter nice, like seriously. A native daughter if you do this kind of thing. You be good native daughter. I don't know say better one see day like this. As in which money you dey look for now? Which money? Not be because of the suffer, because of your Pikin that you want do money. Okay, will you want to maybe your Pikin now? Who want to shop the money? Hey? Which money una dey look for one and no fit work? I know say things hard. Sometimes if you dey look for work, you know they see, but is that enough for you to carry your pikin? Maybe you still get do money. Is that enough for you? Who does that, my people? Eh? Wait till this world they turn into. I don't know. I don't just understand. For you to carry your own pikin, one go use and take do money. This one shocked me. This one shocked me. Since when I thought they do top pikin, I never see this kind one before. Your own pikin, you want go use and take do money. Now juju be that. Now juju be that. Eh? What is this word? What is they turn into? Now me not understand. Now me not just understand, my people. As you your own pikin, you want use and take do money. Your own pikin. Like seriously? Like seriously? Like seriously, my people? Who does that? If not be say this native daughter nice now, oh God, oh, this boy pikin for not be RYP. For not be RYP, tete. Oh God, oh. What did this word they turn into? I mean, not understand again, oh. What did this word? What did they turn into, my people? Eh? Thank God, oh. Thank God, say this native daughter a nice person. If not, therefore don't forget this pikin, no. Therefore don't forget this pikin, my people. As in your sedan, as a police you for a back, conjure a copper for back. Now, wow, things they happen for this world, oh. Eh? Maybe they pray for ourselves, eh? Maybe they pray for ourselves because what they happen for this world, they not they funny again. It not they funny again. How you go want your own pikin? Your own pikin, you want memory. They do money. Now juju be that. Eh? Who advise you this man? Who advise you? May you remember your own pikin. Who advise you? Like more than let me share this video. The whole world need to see this video. This thing they happen for Ghana. Now Ghana for the happen so Ghana. God forbid bad thing. May God not let me get that kind of thought for mind. Say that my own pikin, I won't call you to do money. God forbid. I reject it. I reject it. I cast them. I ban them. God forbid bad thing. I be more they pray. If your husband want carry your pikin come up for us, I be make you quick look whether na your pikin. Where they carry and they go. Follow am more. Because this time we dey now. I could be say I get very. Everybody now they fear. Thank you, my people. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
Movie I miss you too. Hey, can I say? Movie I miss you too. Can I say boko? Mama kwaba. Me ana me frɛ mo. Me herbalist. Am ye bibi draw yi ha. Papa we if abucha bagana. Ɛna ɔse no man kuyi ma no. Ba wo ma 12. Nti ni ma 12 no wo no. Opese me kumutu na me eske dro ma no. Me a military man. I'm a disciplined man. Me ntia anya bone. And I want to prove to the whole world. Any more with my mind time will say, traditional herbalist, and any paboni for, and you will do for you, Kuminipa, send you more Nigeria from Ghana film. This one is a bad man. You need to know Krumani. Akolano de Bass and Kunifani schedule, Akolano. Oh, how are you? Okay, my name is Nane Dubois Jr. Okay, what's the name of your father? Ivan Sopon. Okay. Your father brought you here so that I'll kill you, so that he'll get money. So he brought, oh, don't be scared, my daughter, don't be scared. So I brought the police in to come and save you. So the police will take care of you, okay? The man is a policeman, they'll take care of you, okay?
Okay. What's your name?
Akolani was school. And I'm coaching a free school. Tell me, couldn't find a drumano.
Raise your head.
Money in the bag, not the bag of the Bajis, car money back in the police one.
Raise your head.
Why? It's okay. Why? It's okay. The video is don't.